It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with my Tonic craft kit number 47. Here it is. Let's get right on into it, guys. I already cut the size this time, so we don't have to worry about it. Let's see what we're... Look at that. I said it, and look at that. Is this one? This one snuck up on me. I cut the other side. Love the box. Hello. We hope you enjoy your craft kit. Y'all see that? Absolutely love it. All right, so let's take everything out. Goodies. That is the die set. They didn't put my stuff in here today. All right, so let's move this over here so I can put it back in there. All right, this one says Winter Advent Star Box. Now, they have started putting the name of the kits on this little circle instead of the number. I do love that. I absolutely love that. They're starting to do that. Seems like right now I should be getting a another binder. The next one will probably have another binder. All right, so I have started putting mine on here so I would know. We'll put that to the side for now. Now this has a sticker that stamp set was on the outside, so this may be just a little extra they gave us this time. Merry Christmas, hugs and kisses, winter wishes, joy, Noel, peace, and then look at this beautiful stained glass, look like a window. And North Pole delivery with the sleigh and a reindeer. That is so cute. Hope y'all can see that. That is very cute. I love that. Love, love, love. All right, so first we will look at the paper. Y'all know I love this paper. Let me see if they have my list. There it is. All right. Looks like they're having a showcase launching in September, which is now. Holiday, happy holiday showcase. And then they having that sale, Sparkle and Shine sale, where you get up to 70% off everything that shines and sparkles. All right. So let's look at what we got. I have to look at the names of this paper. I love this folder. All right, so the first paper is a mirror card. Oh, I hope I'm saying the right name. Let me see. Okay, I can see the different color. All right, this one is a mirror card. And it says iridescent mirror card. And I think this one is called Miriam Mist. I have this one. This one has a blue, more of a blue hue iridescent. Then this iridescent mirror card is Hollow Waves, so it's like a silver. I have this one as well. These are so nice. Love, love, love. Together you can see the difference, guys. That blue and that silver. Then we got classic card. This one is called, I think this one is called French Blue. I hope I'm not mistaken. French Blue. I love that these classic cards are double-sided. We got the Bright White classic card. And we got the Arctic Blue classic card. I hope I'm saying them correctly with these blues. Then we have, let me see, I did those. Let's see. Ooh, they gave us 2. I like that. Smooth card. It's got 2 of them. And this is 300 GSM. So this is that sturdier card like you get in a pack for making bases. So they gave us 2 of those, which is awesome. We got a glitter card. Silver screen. Oh, that is pretty. Love, love, love their glitter card. Then I got pearlescent card. Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea, that's beautiful. And then we got a specialty card. Ooh, I like this one too. Specialty card, it is Hailstorm. Love it. I love, y'all can see the imprint there. You can probably see it there too as well because this is a light blue. But that is very pretty. And that one is Hailstorm. Love, love, love. All right, so those are the colors. Make sure I move them over a little bit. We can still look at them. Now let's get into the bag here. All these goodies. Yes. Y'all know I love this. Ooh, first thing I see is this beautiful twine. I'm loving getting the full things of twine. I've been packing them up here, so last time I had that purple. So that is awesome. And they give you quite a bit. So let me tell you the name of this one. This one is French Blue. This one is called French Blue. Love, love, love. I'll put it up there in a second. Where are my scissors so we can open up? Oh, this is the first time I've gotten markers. Yes. I get to test out the markers because I keep seeing them go on sale and stuff like that. And I'm like, I don't know. I got all these other markers. But now I get to test it. I love getting the kit where you can test out stuff to know if you want to purchase it. So I have the, what set is this? This one is, the marker set is called Marina Blue. Marina Blue marker pens. Marina Blue. Look at the different blues, guys. Okay, so we got number, and I love that they graduate in the size so you can do a lot of shading. Those are the ones we got. And it is 425 Skyline Blue, 427 Forget Me Not Blue, and 429 Baritone Blue. Very pretty blue. So let's look at one side. All right, chiseled side. And the other side. Oh, yes, the tip side. Love it, love it, love it. Chisel tip and fine tip. I think that's what they call it. Love it. And they do have it named on the other side as well. So you can see yours. Can't wait to try those out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The next thing I see is Glacier Paste. Yes, I have this already. And they gave it in winter white. I love it. Winter white. I love their Glacier Paste. This is in a Ziploc. About to cut it. So I'm glad it's not. These are the glitters we got this time. And they are Sapphire Blue Pure Sheen Glitter. Sapphire Blue. Very pretty blue. And we have Silver Tinsel Pure Sheen Glitter. Silver Tinsel. So you could test out this glitter, but that's a lot of glitter, guys. Y'all know how we do glitter. You can pour it and pour it back in the bottle. So that's a lot of glitter. Goes a long way. Then we got, looks like a vintage drop. Awesome. Let's see. It is a vintage drop in the name of Chalk Stick. That's what they call it, Chalk Stick. And I'm thinking I have this one, which is great. I love, love, love the vintage drop. They are a different type of drop, guys. Very pretty. I love this blue, like icy theme going on here. And then they gave us glitter accents. Oh, wow. I don't think I have this. So this is glitter accents. And I'm kind of thinking it's called Fresh Snowfall. Wow. I have never had this. Let me see what it does, guys. Open it up. Put this on the top. Y'all know I like to do that. Oh, wow. So this must be like a white glitter. Look at that. That is pretty. So you can make it look like snow, I guess. Glittery snow. So y'all know I got to leave that out so it'll dry. And then last, but certainly not least in here, we have some gemstones, and they're called water droplets. Water droplets. This is awesome. I didn't even know they had these. I didn't know they had these gemstones. I'm looking for papers and dyes, you know, and glue. So I will definitely be looking into these. Look how beautiful they are, guys. And they send you enough to do projects. I'm loving, loving, loving that. All right, so that's what came in our Nouveau bag. So let's see this last set, which is the dies and stamps. Come in this folder. And Pocket wallet folder. Okay, let me see. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. We got all of that. Now we're looking at this. And this one is called the Advent Star Box Die and Stamp Set. Yes. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So I see this box here. It's got some snowflakes. I love the different types of snowflakes. This is a star box. I'm trying to see if they have a picture. Yes, there is the picture. So it's like a 3D pop box. I love it. So it'll be bubbled out when you create it. I love it. Look how they put the numbers on there and the different inlays. That is so cute. Oh, this is going to be nice. What if you did these and then hung them with little lights inside? Just cut the frames out and then hung them across your, wherever you want to hang them. Across your mantle, your craft room, for just a little extra added flair. That is so cute. I love it. Then it also comes with this Christmas bauble or ornament here. And it's got two layers. This one is stitched. Oh, this looks like where you would put like a jump ring. So you will fold them together. So it'll, I'm thinking that's what I see when I look at it. Candy cane, another little inlay that you can put into the star. And it also has the numbers. Isn't that cute? Guys, this is adorable. I love, love, love it. And that is what it looks like again. The little star. It is called, let me make sure I say the right name again. It is called the Advent Star Box Die Set. And it is item number 2824E if you wanted to try to buy it on its own. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. This little set is cute. I'm loving all these boxes. And, oh, this is just so nice. That's why I love getting this subscription every month. So this one is the Winter Advent Star Box. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.